Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will tell you 21 secrets of the Pisces personality. Sometimes Pisces can seem as though they're living on another planet, but have you ever stopped to wonder what it is exactly that makes Pisces so, well, unique? Those of us that are born under the Pisces zodiac sign can get labeled as everything from total genius through to downright nutcase. But to truly get a sense of what the Pisces personality is all about, you just need to take a closer look at the many distinct traits and characteristics that make up this one-of-a-kind zodiac sign. So to give you a better understanding of what it really means to be a Pisces, today I'll be revealing 21 traits and characteristics that are commonly found within the Pisces personality. 1. Pisces has a big heart and a lot of love to give to the world. The Pisces is an extremely kind and compassionate soul that has a hell of a lot of love to give to the world. Their open heart allows them to see the best in people, and they are able to truly empathize with others no matter who they are or what their background might be. 2. Pisces have a way of bringing out the best in others. The Pisces is an extremely positive spirit to be around, and they have a way of bringing out the best in the people that they are with. They are incredibly supportive of their loved ones and are always encouraging them in everything that they do, instilling a sense of confidence and optimism within them. 3. For Pisces, it's what's on the inside that really counts. Pisces is no shallow creature, and they tend to be far more interested in who a person is on the inside rather than what they happen to look like on the outside. They love getting to know someone on a deeper level, and if you won't let them in or have nothing below the surface, then they may get bored and wander off. 4. Pisces is incredibly intuitive and they follow their instincts. 5. Pisces prefers quality over quantity when it comes to friends. Close friends. The Pisces doesn't like to waste their time trying to maintain hundreds of surface-level friendships, and instead focuses on nurturing more substantial and meaningful relationships. They tend to spend their time with those that matter most to them, and they would much rather have a handful of close friends that they know that they can trust than 1,000 acquaintances that they barely even know. 6. Pisces are dreamers and escapists. Pisces are dreamers. For the Pisces, reality is often just not where the party is at. They are escapists and dreamers who are forever getting lost in their own mind and imagination. They tend to be visionaries who are just crazy enough to throw out the rulebook altogether and do things in a whole new way. 7. Pisces is a total sucker for romance. Pisces romantic date. Pisces tends to be an old-school romantic and a total sucker for passionate gestures of love and affection. They love to be made to feel special and wanted, but they also know how to sweep their partner off their feet too. 8. Pisces can be quite the enigma and isn't so easy to figure out. Mysterious Pisces. The Pisces personality tends to be extremely hard to pin down or put into any kind of box. They have an elusive and mysterious characteristic to them that often leaves others intrigued and wondering just what on earth it is that's going on in that brain of theirs. 9. Pisces is a deeply emotional creature. Pisces is sensitive. Pisces are deeply emotional individuals who feel everything intensely, both good and bad. Their moods can seem to change like the wind, and they can go from feeling downright miserable one moment to on top of the world a minute later. It can be hard for others to keep up sometimes. 10. Pisces is in touch with their spiritual side. Spiritual Pisces. Those born under the Pisces sign tend to be more in touch with their spiritual side than the average person, and they often feel a deep connection to the universe around them. They prefer to focus on the bigger picture rather than stressing over the small stuff. They usually find they benefit greatly from practices like mindfulness and meditation. 11. Pisces have a knack for reading a person's true intentions. Analytical observer. Pisces can often pick up on a person's true motives and intentions, and more often than not their instincts turn out to be dead on. They're able to pick up on body language and other subtle clues, and when somebody has less than savory intentions, a red flag will often go up within the Pisces mind. 12. Pisces is super adaptable and able to get along with all sorts of people. Group of friends hanging out. The Pisces has an adaptable characteristic to their personality that allows them to roll with the punches and adapt quickly to new people and surroundings. They're able to find common ground with just about anybody, and they have a way about them that makes people feel comfortable and at ease. 13. Pisces has an incredibly giving and generous nature. Generous Pisces. The Pisces personality tends to be extremely generous, and it's very much in their nature to want to give back in life and share their good fortunes with others. They're the kinds of people that would give you the shirt off of their own back if they saw that you needed it. 14. Pisces can be maddeningly indecisive sometimes. Indecisive. Pisces can be incredibly indecisive at times and can struggle to come to a final decision, agonizing over everything for fear of making the wrong decision. Sometimes they can drive their friends and loved ones nuts with their inability to make a decision, but they can't help it really. Sometimes life has too many choices. 15. Pisces fears rejection and the idea of winding up alone. Pisces fears rejection. Pisces craves companionship, and they have a strong desire for a deep and meaningful relationship. However, finding love isn't always so easy for them. They can have insecurities about being rejected that can make it hard for them to put themselves out there and leave them fearful of winding up alone. 16. Pisces is endlessly artistic and creative. Pisces has a crazy imagination. The traits and characteristics of creativity and originality run deep throughout the Pisces personality, and they often make for great artists, writers, musicians, and anything else that has a creative flair to it. They have a unique perspective on the world that allows them to see things in a very out-of-the-box kind of way, which often serves as a great source of inspiration. 17. Sometimes Pisces just needs to be on their own for a while. Alone time. Sometimes Pisces just needs to get away from everything, and everyone, to take a breather from the chaos of life. Those close to them shouldn't take it personally if they suddenly disappear on them. They just need time to recharge their batteries and get their thoughts in order. 18. Pisces appreciate honesty and sincerity. Pisces appreciates honesty. The Pisces values honesty and sincerity dearly, and they'd rather hear the truth even when it isn't pretty than have you tell them a nice-sounding lie. They hate being lied to, and if you're straight up with them, then they will always have respect for you. 19. When Pisces falls in love, they often fall hard and go all in. Pisces loves deeply. Being the lover that Pisces is, it should come as no surprise that when they do meet their perfect match and decide to commit, they give it everything they've got. They make for some of the most devoted and committed lovers in all of the zodiac, and they're willing to go above and beyond to make sure that a relationship lasts. 20. Pisces have a competitive side that can take people by surprise. Pisces competitive traits. Few realize just how competitive the Pisces can be when they are presented with a challenge. Don't be fooled by their seemingly aloof nature, because they actually kinda love to win. If you're silly enough to underestimate them, then they will try twice as hard to kick your ass. 21. Pisces can instinctively tell when their loved ones are down and in need of support. Pisces is supportive. Thanks to Pisces' incredible emotional instincts, when one of their friends or loved ones is feeling down, they can usually tell pretty fast and will rush to their aid. They are incredibly supportive and comforting friends who always seem to know just what to say to make someone feel better.